I have attended the 3 days workshop with Pandey sir and I found it very encouraging, very enlightening. बहुत सारे ऐसे concepts हैं जिनके बारे में हम लोगों ने पहले सोचा नहीं था. We got illuminated about that also. And हमें ऐसा लगता है कि ये न केवल practitioners के लिए, even इसका अगर broad base और बने, भारत सरकार के इतने सारे employees हैं, फौज के लोग हैं, यहाँ तक भी ये सब बातें पहुँचे because ये personality का एक अच्छा measurement और assessment करने में मदद करता है, जिससे training can be more credit based and government efforts can be more streamlined in that manner. So एक बहुत अच्छा contribution है. हम जिस organization से सर belong करते हैं उसको भी बहुत बधाई देते हैं कि इतना अच्छा endeavor उन्होंने किया and it's a great service towards the society also, क्योंकि आप लोग जिस चीज़ को measure कर रहे हैं ये परमात्मा की सबसे खूबसूरत कृति है. So my good wishes for that. Thank you.
I attended this 3-day psychometric test workshop conducted by Mr. Vijay Pandey in association with IIBP. This program was very nicely designed, very comprehensive. It made me understand almost all the concepts of psychometric testing, all the construct of psychometrics. So I am just amazed to see the kind of knowledge in terms of depth and width of psychology, not only psychology but also spirituality, but also philosophy, science, technology, business management, economics. So all these type of knowledge Mr. Pandey has, and it was really very enriching workshop. I look forward that all other participants who are in this field, who want to enrich their life, who want to empower themselves or who want to empower others, they should also join such programs, and I wish all the best to IIBP.
This 3-day program was very comprehensive. It had a lot of insights. What was especially striking was, to me especially, was the knowledge of the trainer and the amount of time that he has devoted to the entire field per se, which enhances his perspective on a lot of things, you know, the deductive power of the trainer. So that was very striking, and it actually sensitized me that, you know, it's just not about starting the journey. The entire journey, each day just adds to more and more of it.
Myself, Ms. Prabhati Bhani. By profession, here I am in the area of the training and the corporate relations. Out of the curiosity, in fact, I have attended this psychometric testing, and since last 6-7 months I was into what is to be done in that and how it is to be done, and the valuable insights which are shared by you, sir, with your in-depth knowledge has really opened my eyes in many of the areas. And in fact, since I am progressing with the psychology course also, so it's really going to add value. Your in-depth knowledge is amazing. Your simplicity over and above everything. Your helping nature. And so impromptu we can say, in fact, we just say ki sir we require this and immediately you click to it out of such a, you know, busy schedule, and in a way, in fact, you are open to everything, you know, open for the suggestions, open for everything. These are the 4, in fact, the basic things, and thank you so much once again, sir.
My name is Anurag Sharma and I am a HR manager as a profession. The two things amazed me a lot in this workshop is the person, Mr. Vijay, who is a trainer, and the psychometric as a concept. And the person, like I would say, a concept is a concept beautifully explained if a person has got the knowledge. And this person has got a beautiful knowledge about this, and he has got his own, in fact, the tools developed in this concept. So, which gave us a beautiful insight about the psychometry. Once again, I would like to thank Mr. Vijay, the trainer, and the Jaipur Institute.
The important takeaway for me is that I was aware about psychometric testing, but the field is so vast and it is so in-depth. That is what I came to aware. I was aware of, or made aware of through this 3 days workshop. Well, Mr. Vijay Pandey was known to me in a different capacity earlier. Well, testing as a tool for people who are into the area of HR, whether practitioners or academicians, is very important. That we all accept. Understanding the nuances of personality, ability, and various concepts which you introduced us would have so many dimensions, so many ways to measure them, so many ways to authenticate your measurement. All these things was very amazing to me. So thank you IIBP and you, Mr. Vijay Pandey.
The first thing I want to say about this program is awesome. After attending the workshop, I got to know that my knowledge or my understanding of the topics were very superficial. And Vijay sir की in-depth study, research and knowledge के बाद तो ऐसा लगता है कि we know nothing. And the best part is कि after this workshop, we are at a state at least we understand how to apply this test and where to apply. Obviously practice does matter, that will make us perfect, but the best part is that after these 3 days we are confident enough that we understand the subject better. Hats off to the way he teaches, the patience and the listening abilities he is having. The way he controlled us, it was very humble, and knowledge is बहुत ही बढ़िया, मतलब we are highly impressed by your research and your knowledge. Thank you so much, thank you.
The workshop has been beyond words, simply awesome. I would like to thank sir for accepting our invitation and coming over to Indore, and to really quench our thirst for knowledge. And the amount of knowledge he has got, the degree of the command that he has got over the subject is commendable. And today I have actualized one of the statements that I had read long back, that a good session is not like filling a bucket, it is like igniting a fire. And this is what exactly has happened in this workshop. That sir has not filled a bucket, he has ignited a fire that we want to learn more and more. So sir, thank you so much, and I believe this is not the end and it's the beginning of our association with you and a journey to learn more and more about psychometrics. Thank you IIBP, and thank you Vijay sir for being here with us.
I attended the 3-day workshop, which was very learning experience for me, since I am a student, and it gave me an insight that where I have to go and what I can contribute towards everyone or this field. And many things I got to know after attending this workshop, that what I can do and how it will help others as well. So yeah, it was a very learning experience for me. Thank you so much for giving me such a wonderful experience.
We are thankful that we got this opportunity in a city like Indore to be introduced to such a genius like Mr. Vijay Pandey. We were exposed to the theories of personalities earlier, but it's been a life-changing experience personally for me. It has changed my perspective of looking at others. Definitely this kind of workshop will help every one of us. Not only the organization would be more helpful if they try to understand these kind of things. If you understand more about the personalities, it will definitely help the organization. When it comes to students, definitely it will help the students to go for better career options. In relationships also, it will definitely help. Again, thankful to sir that he was so supportive, and we have asked many silly questions also, but with all dignity he has answered all the questions. Thank you so much.